Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another page in our picnic sketchbook. Today we're going to make peanut sauce or sambal kacang from Indra's grandmother's delicious recipe. As I'm drawing and researching, I learned a couple of interesting things about peanuts. Peanuts are an amazing plant, and it's extremely rare for a plant to grow fruit underground. This is called geocarpy. Peanuts aren't indigenous to Indonesia. They were originally brought to Indonesia by the Spanish 500 years ago from South America. So let's cook sambal kacang. First of all, the peanuts we use tend to be the smaller ones as they have a lot more flavour. Lightly fry the peanuts in a little oil. This brings out the flavour. The secret ingredient is lovely fresh kencur or aromatic ginger, which will be added to the sambal later.
Secret ingredient need to fresh, no need to fry.
The other ingredients that we fry are bird's eye chilies and a little garlic. Another ingredient we use is palm sugar. It's a lot more caramelly and richer than processed white sugar. Finely chopped kaffir lime leaves add a lovely citrusy note to the sambal.
Java tamarind.
Tamarind is another essential ingredient. It adds a sweet and sour taste to the sambal.
In the ulak-ulak, I don't know what it's called in English, but in Indonesia it's called ulak-ulak.
It takes a lot of effort to grind the sambal by hand, and my wife's very lucky to have a dutiful husband who can help.
Just everything's natural.
Delicious.
I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and please support this channel by liking, sharing and subscribing. Do take good care of yourselves. Thank you so much.